In today's video, I will tell you that how you can become a real estate agent in Australia. A real estate agent job is a really good job if you can get along with people really well. This is the job for you. You can make lots of money by signing a deal or signing an agreement with a client in the form of commission you get from the real estate company. How much does a real estate agent earn in Australia? According to the pay scale, the real estate agent salary in Australia is about $39,000 per annum to $107,000 per annum. They earn a basic salary including a commission on each sale or deal they crack. As a result, the pay may vary depending on the state you work in and the number of deals and sales you close. What does a real estate agent do? So for people who do not know what real estate agent job is, real estate agents work with customers to make the selling and purchase of the properties and residence as simple as possible. Generally, real estate agents look at the property value and compare similar sale prices in the region to establish appropriate pricing for purchasing or selling a property. However, not every deal is straightforward, and real estate brokers may be required to engage in long talks and work with negotiations to satisfy the needs of all parties involved. A real estate agent can make a lot of money on a sale or purchase of a property, as they primarily work on commissions that depends on ultimate sale price of the property. You need to go through a state license exam and fill out the appropriate application to become a real estate agent in Australia. Different states have different applications and licensing requirements, so you must fulfill the criteria required by your state. A real estate agent must always invite interested parties to show them the listed property and sell it quickly. This also enables potential buyers and clients to decide whether or not they want to close the deal. As a result, a real estate agent must guarantee that a home is clean and in perfect condition. The agent needs to visit the property regularly to check on everything to keep it in proper shape. Okay, now major tasks and duties of a real estate agent. Promote the sales of properties via open house, brochures, online and print listing. Identify potential buyers and seek out prospective vendors. Advise clients on legal requirements, market condition, mortgages, pricing and other associated matters including maintenance, financing, building work, appraisal and repairs. Accompany potential buyers during property inspection and present properties. Build a network of lenders, solicitor and contractors to whom client can be referred. Prepare documents and contract, appraise properties, write vendors reports, facilitate settlement and negotiate terms between parties. Okay, what are the requirements to obtain a real estate license in Australia? A real estate agent license may help you take your profession to the next level, whether you are seeking a fresh start or have been in the field for a long time. Now I will go through different states that what are the requirements in different states in Australia to become a real estate agent. Okay, in Queensland, if you are wondering how to become a real estate agent in Queensland, you must first meet specific training requirement and eligibility criteria for obtaining a real estate license. You can choose to undertake the property services training package, which is the code number is CPP07, which is nationally recognized training package that contain following modules: appraise property, manage small business finance, market property for sale, interpret legislation to accomplish work in property industry, identify ethical and legal requirement of property management to perform age. You can complete the course at reputed institutions like Property Training Australia or REIQ. Also, it is vital to note that you will be assessed as competent in 19 different units to qualify for a license. Once you are ready to get a license, visit the Queensland government website to download the application form for a real estate agent license. After filling the application, you can drop it off personally at a Queensland Government Service Office or mail it to the Office of Fair Trading. Okay, now in New South Wales, to get a real estate license in New South Wales, you must fulfill strict eligibility requirement, including being proper and fit to acquire a license. Here are some of the standard requirements. Complete the real estate agent license course, Certificate 4 in Property Services, CPP 40307. Make sure to pay the relevant contribution to the Property Service Compensation Fund. Your primary place to work should be in New South Wales within 50 kilometers of the New South Wales border. The good thing is that you complete the real estate agent course in New South Wales either part-time or full-time on campus or online. For additional information, you can visit the website of TAFE New South Wales and Real Estate Institute of New South Wales. Check out Service New South Wales to apply for your real estate agent license online. You will need some identification documents to submit your application, including your qualification documents, proof of your professional identity insurance and driver's license. South Australia. Real estate agents who want to run their own business in South Australia are also known as land agents. The completion of a Diploma of Property Services Agency Management CPP 50307 is the minimum requirement for obtaining a real estate license in South Australia. To complete this course, you will require a total of 24 units, with the additional units dedicated to real estate business management. Under this course, you will learn the following things: marketing your agency, developing a strategic business plan, managing financial plan and budget, managing people performance. You can complete the course mentioned above at My Real Estate Training or Real Estate Training Academy. You can visit REISA Real Estate Institute of South Australia website to get more information. Visit the South Australia government website to know about how to become a real estate agent in South Australia and apply for your real estate agent license. Along with the application, you will also have to meet financial probability requirement and submit the required documents such as National Police Certificate and identification and qualification documents. Now, Western Australia. If you want to work as a real estate agent in Western Australia, you need a current triennial certificate and a real estate license. The triennial certificate is provided when your license is first issued and renewed every 3 years. To apply for a real estate license in Western Australia, you must demonstrate that you have the financial means to run a real estate business. You must also meet the following requirements. Prior to applying for a real estate agent license, you must gain at least 2 years of continuous full-time experience in the real estate sector. Complete Diploma of Property Services Agency Management CPP 50307. To get the real estate license application form, visit Department of Mines, Industry Regulation and Safety websites. After filling in the form and attaching the supporting documents, you can submit the application by mail in person at a department Conington office. The documents you need to submit usually include statement of experience, an Australian police check, evidence of your educational qualifications, and 2 references. Now in Tasmania, in order to be eligible for a real estate agent license in Tasmania, you must meet the following requirements. During the previous 5 years before completing your application, gain 2 years or full-time experience as a property representative or property manager. Complete a Diploma of Property Services, pay the relevant application fees, be considered suitable and fit to become a real estate agent, be prepared to continue your education. You can study the real estate agent course via the REIT Real Estate Institute of Tasmania. The Property Agent Board of Tasmania is in charge of real estate licensing application. When you submit your application, you need to provide National Police Record Check from Tasmania Police, proof of your qualification, details of your employment experience and knowledge, and information about your professional indemnity insurance. Now, ACT, Australian Capital Territory. In the Australian Capital Territory, you need to notify the public about your intention to apply for a real estate agent license. To get the license, you must meet the minimum criteria, which includes obtaining 24 months of experience, gaining the required qualification, and not being disqualified. Additionally, a police certificate from the Australian Federal Police is also required. When it comes to qualifications, you need to hold a Diploma of Property Services. You can complete this diploma through the REIACT Real Estate Institute of Australian Capital Territory and now Northern Territory. You must announce your plan to apply for real estate license in Northern Territory News before submitting an application. After you notify, public member get 14 days to file an objection to your application. You must undergo a police and probability check and complete a diploma of property to be eligible to apply for real estate agent in the Northern Territory. You can apply for a real estate agent at the Northern Territory government website online. If online application aren't your things, you can also apply through fax, email, mail, or in person. You can pick the application form at your local territory business center or download it from nt.gov.au. Real estate agent license in Northern Territory are issued for 1, 3, or 5 years. Okay, how to become a real estate agent in Victoria? Certificate 4 in real estate practice you required as an entry-level course. This course is the government requirement to work in real estate and the first step to become a licensed real estate agent. From 30th September 2021, the Certificate 4 in Real Estate Practice replaced the Agent Representative course. There are 18 units to study in the course, and on completion, you can work as an agent's representative for an agency in Victoria. You will be qualified to work in a variety of roles, including sales, property management, and buyer's advocacy. You won't be able to operate your own real estate agency with this certificate. However, you will be working under the supervision of a licensed real estate agent, and the opportunity will enable you to learn the ropes and gain valuable experience. To run your own agency, you need to have a diploma of property agency management. The diploma course is your key to successful career in residential and commercial real estate. You will also be qualified to work in property management, business broking, stock and station, and auctioneering. You will be a fully licensed real estate agent working in senior roles such as principal agent and agency manager. You can also operate your own real estate agency. There are 12 units in the Diploma of Property Agency Management, but you will need to complete 18 units of Certificate 4 in Real Estate Practice before commencing this course. Once you have successfully completed both qualifications, you can apply to the Business Licensing Authority for your real estate license. Now that you know everything about how to become a real estate agent in Australia, you are ready to fill out the application form and get your real estate agent license. I hope you found this video really helpful. These information will really guide you to the right direction to become a real estate agent. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and please make sure to hit that notification bell down below for all the latest videos, and I will see you in the next video very soon. Until then, goodbye.